Hey friends, it's Lori with Farmhouse Stencil Shop. I'm going to make another basic sign that just has a wood frame around it. Something so easy, simple. The board is like a 9x9. My stencil is an 8x8. And then I already have my frame stained and ready to go. I have two sides of the frame are 11 inches and the other sides are 9 inches. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint my background. I'm going to paint it white. This one's going to be a farmhousey look. So let me see. I'm just going to use the Waverly white chalk paint. There's no debris on here. And I'm just going to do a coat on my surface. Okay, so I have my clean, smooth, dry surface. I'm going to take my 8x8 stencil and just place on the top of it. Eyeball it, make sure it's lined up pretty good. Okay, I'm just going to use a makeup wedge, some black Americana paint, just acrylic paint. And as always, I'm going to dab into my paint, which you can't see here, but I have it on my little tray. Dab into my paint, offload it on a paper towel. Got my paper towel here. And then I'm going to go ahead and stencil my words. So when you're stenciling, you don't want to press too hard. Just do a tapping motion. Also, I find that stenciling with black paint is the best way to go. If you can have a light background with black paint for your letters, it will be the easiest for you to paint bridges. And if you ever get any bleeding, it's the easiest to fix. So I find that the acrylic black flat paint works well over this white chalk paint. Okay, I think that's pretty good. You guys are gonna like this one. When you can't decide what to do, just drink more coffee. For sure, but you can always drink some more coffee. I'm going to take a fine tip brush, just dab it in my black paint, and I'm going to go back over all my little bridges. Now I always say this, but bridges are optional. If you are not somebody who wants to mess with painting your bridges, it's totally up to you. I know some people don't paint the bridges. I prefer it, but I'm not going to give you a hard time if you don't paint the bridges. It's totally up to you. I do think it gives the sign a nice finished look, so if you have enough patience and a steady hand, I would recommend painting your bridges. There we go. So now all that I have left to do is just put my frame on it. I'm not going to do anything more to it. I'm not going to sand anymore because I sanded my background. So I'm going to take my nail gun, and I might have to stand up to do this because I don't have a lot of space. A little bit of glue. Yep, for this part I'm going to have to stand up. There's no way that I can sit down and do this. So there we have it, guys. It's a little cute sign. I think it's really cute. So I might actually hang it back here on the wall once I'm done with it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish it up, and then it'll be all done. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you.